Alright, so today Josh is working on cleaning up this. He moved the tractor, and since that up there is cleared, just cleaning this area up a little bit where we tend to stack things. We may, Riley has her plants and stuff, so we may actually put her garden right there. We hadn't decided if we're going to put it there or put it down in the other field, but I'm fixing to run to town. I've got to take Mason to town, so this is what it looks like. We'll see what it looks like when I get back. So I haven't left yet, but couldn't get the blue tractor started, so he's pulling it out of his weight so he can move the pig pen into the woods a little bit and just clear up all of the stuff over here.
We are fixing to plant Mason's corn.
Alright, so here is an update of what this looks like up here. Super cleaned up. We got a little bit of brush still we're going to push off, but it's almost ready. Alright, so a quick update on the bees. A couple weeks ago we had noticed that some of them were hanging on the outside. As new beekeepers, we're concerned about it. We're fortunate to have lots of friends that are beekeepers, so we asked them to come check it out, and that's what we're doing here.
And that's some of the best honey you'll ever eat. I ain't lying you. Right there. I need my tool back. You just get the honey off there. That dark honey, I think is the best. It's just scattered everywhere. That's what they use to seal this box off.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
Chew on that.
Yeah, I see them now.
Right, that's bees to hatch. You know, they're growing.
Right. Little worm.
Yep.
Worm looking thing.
This stuff right in here, that's all pollen. All that orange and yellow, they use that to feed the larvae. See this right here? This is capped, sealed.
Is that a good size swarm what I've got?
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah, this is a good box.
box.
It's just that these have been in here, these frames have been in here a long time.
No, that's a regular frame there.
See all that right there?
Yep.
Those are bees getting ready to hatch. So, if you better get another super and put on it too.
Now is
That's
is
what
this
Dusty
a different
said.
side?
Yep.
So these on this side's different than
Yep.
the ones. Oh
So
shit!
look at all those right there. All that's getting ready to hatch.
That whole thing.
Depends on the season. Look at all that. That's nothing but bee. Get off of me. That's nothing but bees getting ready to hatch.
That right there, that bee right there. See her? Dusty looking bee right
Yep,
here.
that's a new bee. That's a nurse bee. It hatched out not long ago, so its job's to stay in the hive, clean, take care of all these cells, feeding them for so many days.
And that side's full too.
Yep, I'm fixing to have a major hive.
So, like I said, we're very fortunate to have lots of friends that are beekeepers, and our friend came over and was kind enough to go through this hive with Josh and just give his opinion on it and what he thought we needed to do.
Until we can go back through them, we need to just keep an eye on a possible swarm. Even with a swarm, I don't know that it's going to hurt you. You got some minutes getting ready to hatch.
So what we did, we followed his advice. We added another super. Josh has been, in them, checking them out, keeping an eye on them. He knows it more than I do. But we're enjoying it, and we're just trying to gain all the knowledge that we can through hands-on experience and through books and videos and things like that. So it's a learning process, but we're happy to be doing it, and we're excited about the journey, and we're already talking about getting more bees, and we're just soaking all of it in and learning. But we're enjoying it. So I know this video was kind of a Mod Podge of a few days together. We just haven't been filming a whole lot because we've been really busy with some other things going on, and I didn't want this footage to go to waste, so I hope you enjoyed it. I want to thank you guys for watching, and we'll be back with lots more videos. We've had a little cold, so I'm getting a little bit better, and I'll be filming a lot more, and we'll see you soon, and God bless.